Imagine your kidneys as two small bean-shaped organs, each about the size of your fist, located in your lower back. They're like the body's natural filters, responsible for removing waste products, extra fluids, and other things your body doesn't need from your blood. When your kidneys are working well, they keep your blood clean and your body healthy. But sometimes, due to factors like high blood pressure, diabetes, or just the natural aging process, your kidneys may struggle to do their job properly. That's when it's time to give them a little extra love through your diet. Some foods have special powers to help your kidneys stay in good shape. They are like the shield that guards your kidneys from oxidative stress, which can be harmful. They're like the heroes that swoop in with antioxidants, fighting off bad guys in your body and keeping your kidneys safe and sound. Let us look at each of these food items one by one. Ginger. Ginger is a widely recognized spice with a rich history of medicinal use. It contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, known for their potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This makes ginger a potential ally for kidney health by reducing inflammation in the kidneys and addressing symptoms like nausea and vomiting, often associated with kidney problems. Ginger can be consumed fresh, as a soothing tea, or as a flavorful spice in various culinary dishes. Its benefits extend to supporting digestive health, reducing oxidative stress, and even possibly helping with joint pain and arthritis linked to kidney disease. However, individuals with kidney stones or those on blood-thinning medications should exercise caution and consult healthcare providers before adding ginger to their diets. Turmeric. Turmeric, another vibrant spice, is commonly used in Indian cuisine and has gained recognition for its health-promoting properties. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, potentially protecting the kidneys from inflammation and oxidative stress. Turmeric's benefits extend to blood pressure regulation, and it can be incorporated into various dishes like curries and stews. Nevertheless, similar to ginger, turmeric supplements should be approached with care, especially for those with kidney issues or a history of kidney stones. Combining turmeric with black pepper can enhance curcumin absorption, and individuals on anticoagulant medications should be mindful of its potential blood-thinning properties. Olive oil. Olive oil, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, offers a rich source of monounsaturated fats and various antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenol. These compounds contribute to its heart-healthy reputation, which indirectly benefits kidney health. Olive oil can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, making it an excellent choice for cooking or as a salad dressing. It's particularly valuable in kidney-friendly diets due to its low potassium and phosphorus content. Extra virgin olive oil, in particular, boasts high antioxidant levels and is favored for its health benefits. However, its calorie content should be monitored, and overheating should be avoided during cooking to preserve its beneficial compounds. Asparagus. Asparagus, a green vegetable, is low in calories and rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, such as K, C, and folate, and various minerals. It's considered kidney-friendly due to its low potassium content and can promote digestive health. The diuretic properties of asparagus increase urine production, aiding in waste elimination, and some compounds may offer anti-inflammatory benefits for the kidneys. It can help regulate blood sugar levels and is suitable for weight management. Asparagus is gluten-free, versatile in cooking methods, and can be integrated into various dietary patterns. While it may cause a distinct odor in urine for some individuals, it's entirely harmless. Still, personalized dietary recommendations should be sought for those with specific kidney concerns. Cauliflower and broccoli. Cauliflower and broccoli, both cruciferous vegetables, are nutrient-rich and low in calories. They provide essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, K, and folate, and their low potassium content makes them suitable for kidney-friendly diets. Rich in dietary fiber, these vegetables support digestive health and may help reduce inflammation in the body. They offer culinary versatility, with cauliflower being an excellent low-carb substitute in various recipes. These vegetables contain compounds with potential cancer-fighting properties and can contribute to heart health. Proper cooking methods, like steaming and microwaving, help retain their nutritional value, and regular consumption aids in weight management while providing essential nutrients. As with other dietary choices, consulting healthcare providers or dietitians is advisable for those with kidney concerns. Cabbage. Cabbage, available in green or purple varieties, is a low-calorie vegetable packed with vitamins, particularly vitamin K and C. Its low potassium content makes it a kidney-friendly choice, and it's versatile in culinary applications like salads, coleslaw, soups, and stir-fries. Cabbage contains dietary fiber, antioxidants, and potentially anti-inflammatory compounds. Fermented cabbage products like sauerkraut can promote gut health due to their probiotic content. It's gluten-free and part of the cruciferous vegetable family, offering glucosinolates with potential health benefits. Although its odor when cooked can be distinct, cabbage can be prepared in various ways and is suitable for weight-conscious diets. Sensitivity to certain compounds may occur in some individuals, making moderation advisable, and consulting healthcare providers or dietitians is essential for those with specific kidney concerns. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are vibrant and sweet, offering high levels of vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. These peppers are low in calories and potassium, making them kidney-friendly. They're versatile, suitable for snacks, salads, and various culinary creations. Red bell peppers contain dietary fiber, protecting cells from damage, and may possess anti-inflammatory properties. Roasting, grilling, or stuffing them provides delicious meal options. They're commonly used in Mediterranean and Mexican cuisines, offering a balanced nutrient profile and potential health benefits. Consulting healthcare providers or dietitians is wise for those with kidney concerns to ensure their dietary plans align with their specific needs. So, by adding these foods to your diet, you're giving your kidneys the support they need to keep doing their superhero job, cleaning your blood and keeping you healthy. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.